President Wevel Ramkalawan has this afternoon assented the inquest into death bill, which was approved by the National Assembly last month. The legislation will lead to the repeal of sections 346 to 351 of the Criminal Procedure Code from the Penal Code, which relates to inquiries as into sudden deaths. The new law has also introduced the new procedures for investigations of death cases, such as the requirement for the corpse to be examined by a doctor or pathologist. The law now also provides for a judge, magistrate, lawyer, or other legal experts to be appointed to carry out an investigation into the death of an unidentified person.
Often these inquests can be very complex, and we haven't had proper guidelines and regulations in place to guide the magistrates over the years as to the correct procedure to be followed. There are cases sometimes where you can have almost 60 witnesses whose evidence needs to be taken. Sometimes, if a death happens on one of the outer islands, there are locus or site visits that need to be carried out. So I think it's extremely important moving forward that we have these guidelines in place to ensure that when inquests are carried out, they are done promptly, and we give the family the closure that they are looking for. Often in the past, recommendations are made, but because it is not compulsory for anyone to follow them, they are often ignored or left on the sidelines. So now I think with the new act, it brings more emphasis on the fact that recommendations will be made and they need to be considered by the different authorities who are responsible to implement these changes, be it the hospital, the prison services, the police.